my God.
That's good enough for me.
Okay. Oh my God. Are you serious? My mouth is just like open as you're like flooring it. Oh my God. Are you like that is. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is crazy.
It's a little quick.
I'm speechless. I am undoubtedly speechless. Like seriously, I mean, like I feel it in my chest.
Oh
like,
yeah.
And it's not like I haven't been in like fast cars before. Like that. Like it's not even that. It's like it's just
it builds a different way. It just doesn't stop.
Oh my God! It's like when you and like the wastegate opening is like something like your brain just can't handle,
yeah.
especially being passenger. Oh my God! Oh my God! This is. Oh my head hurts. Oh my, and it hooks.
Yeah.
It looks like a mofo.
It started spinning up top. I never hit limiter.
What?
We never got above 8,500.
What?
Yeah, we still have 92. So.
Oh my God! What a head rush.
Wow. Guess we're going home now. Oh my god! Oh my god, bro!
What the hell?
Ready?
Yep.
Bro,
Dang.
Alright, do one last pull before I go and refill the fuel.